Look at these, aren't they so pretty? Today I'm going to show you how to make these two-tone dumpling wrappers. And no, these are not hard to make. All you need are store-bought green-colored spinach dumpling wrappers as well as your standard dumpling wrappers. If you also want to learn how to make this pretty pink and pumpkin-colored dumpling wrappers, I'm going to show you how to make those as well. Shh. This is my secret recipe, so you can make these at home and show them off to your friends and family and pretend like you are the dumpling master. 오늘의 레시피, 집에서 아주 예쁜 만두피 만들기. 오늘도 여러분들과 영어로 함께 하겠습니다. So good. 쫄깃쫄깃하고 간이 딱 맞습니다. Hi everyone, this is Helen and welcome to Modern Pepper. 안녕하세요, Modern Pepper의 헬렌입니다. To make the green and white dumpling wrappers, we need one spinach dumpling wrapper and one standard dumpling wrapper. And I always want you to cover your dumpling wrappers while you are working because we want to make sure these guys stay nice and moist and do not dry out. And you also need 2 cookie cutters. This one is about 3 inches in diameter, and this one is 2 3/4. So it's basically the next size down. You want to take the smaller one and place it right here on the center of the spinach colored one, and you just press it down. This one is the bigger one, and you want to put it in the center of the white one, and then you just press it down. Leave this down here, and this guy we're going to save it for later. And we need this piece, this end piece. I want you to save it for later. And then what we want to do is take some water and just want to lightly tap your finger, and I just want you to wet just the inner edge of the spinach wrapper, like that, just a little bit. Then you want to take the circle and just place it right on top and kind of stretch it a little bit and then push it down. Same thing on this side and this side. You just want to stretch it a little bit and then put it over it. Same thing, pull and press and pull and press. So once you have made your pulled stretch marks like that, then just go around and just reinforce it with your fingertip. Push out, stretch it a little bit, and press it down with your finger. Then you want to take your rolling pin and reinforce that seal. And just go around and just reinforce it. So this is going to be the interior of our dumpling, and this is going to be our exterior. So it looks like this. Now I'm going to wrap them with you now. We're going to put a spoonful of our dumpling filling. So not all Asian dumpling fillings are the same for my non-Asian friends. This is Korean, made with beef, but you could make it with pork or vegan friends, plant-based meat. Then I want you to dab your finger in some water like that and just wet half circle along the edge like that. Pick it up and then kind of squish in the middle. Use this finger to always tap down the stuffing. You pinch it right here at the base of where the white and the green meets. Right here, you pinch it like that. Then you go to this side and you bring this forward to the center and you just kind of pinch it like that right here. Same thing on this side. You just press right there, right by the base, like that. What you want to do then is squish everything together, like that. And look at that. Now it looks like a little pocket of bok choy or something. So cute. There you have it. Our little bok choy looking dumpling wrap. So cute. Now another shape I want to make with you. Want to pack down your filling like that, so into like a dome shaped like an egg. Pack it down. Then again with your water, just tap it lightly, and then you just put along half of the edge of the circle. Then you want to fold it over like that, and you create a seal right here in the middle. Then you fold this over and you press it down right here, and then you just seal it right here like that. Same thing, you push this part over, and you want these 2 corners here to meet, and then you press it down right here. And then you just seal the end like that. And there you have it, a two-toned dumpling wrap that is very simple. Now I have a video on how to make different dumpling wrap shapes that are easy to follow and doable, so you could check out that tutorial, and the video will be linked above and also in the description box below. For these mini circles that we cut out, do not throw these away. It's because you could use them to wrap mini dumplings. Yep, mini dumplings that are perfect for bite size. OMG. Ooh, you could just inhale them so fast. Here are my homemade dumpling wrappers. This is the standard one. This one is made using beet juice, carrot juice, spinach juice. So you could totally make homemade dumpling wrappers, and I have a video for that. The video will be linked in the description box below. So for these homemade dumpling wrappers, they're a little bit sticky because there's more water. Dust your working space with some cornstarch. Flour will stick, but cornstarch just does not really stick well. So it's the same concept. We're gonna take two. We're gonna take the white and the pink. If there's any gaps that you see, then you could also reinforce it on this side as well. And there you have it. Here are the dough for homemade dumpling wrappers. I'm going to show you another way that you can make these quickly. Now I want you to take each dough and then roll them out into 3 even sections. Then I want you to take the white one and kind of shape them into a fat cigar. So roll it out like that, okay? Then we're gonna take the pink one and just make it into a bigger, flatter piece, almost like a rectangle, and make sure that the thickness is even. Oh yeah, so we wanna wrap it like a blanket. So add a little bit of water right here. Do it again and just press to create a seal. So now we're just gonna slowly roll it so that it is a little bit of a skinnier cigar size. And then with the seal sign right here, I want you to press it down and press it a little bit so we create that seal. Then we're gonna do the same thing. So what we're gonna do next is we're gonna cut here. This end, just keep it and use it for something else. Instead of cutting down this way and squishing everything down this way, since we cut this way, I'm gonna turn it over and now cut it this way. Use this one, first cut as a marker. I'm gonna turn it over and cut it this way, and cut, and cut. Do the same for these guys as well. It does get a little squishy, but I want you to mold it like this. Do that with all the pieces. So this is only if you're gonna make a lot. So here we have it. Here I have some cornstarch, and I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit for my workspace right here. Then with each piece, I would sprinkle more cornstarch. Once you have this kind of molded and shaped, what I want you to do is take your palm and then just gently press it down. Like that, and then kind of flatten it a little bit. What you could do is you hold this side here with this finger, these 2 fingers, and then with the 3 fingers we go forward and back, turn, forward and back, turn a little bit, forward and back to the middle, like that. Now these are not going to come out as perfectly uniformed as the ones that we made using the store-bought dumplings. It's still pretty, look at that. Or if you want a uniformed look, you could use a ring mold, and then you have this. Now for these, you could freeze them, so that's good. Or you could keep them in the fridge for 24 hours and then roll them out the next day. These end pieces, do not throw these away. What I would do is make sujebi with it. So sujebi is your lazy hand-pulled noodle soup. Just dunk them in like noodles, right? Or with these end pieces, you know, what you could do is also squeeze them and make them into a dough, and then you hand pull them and add them to the noodle soup. So you could make the sujebi that's the non-spicy version, or you can make the kimchi sujebi. It is a classic lazy noodle dish that all Koreans love, so don't throw these guys away. Aren't these so pretty? So we're gonna put them in the steamer and have a taste. Time to eat our beautiful dumplings. They're too pretty to eat in my opinion, but I guess somebody has to eat them. And I guess I will. Korean dumplings must always take a dipping in the dipping sauce for dumplings. It just makes it extra, extra delicious. And I just sculpted my mouth. Yes, I did. Bon appetit, everyone. So good. 쫄깃쫄깃하고 간이 딱 맞습니다. I just said it's delicious. It is chewy. Gotta finish this. You too can make delicious and pretty dumplings at home. Make sure to go to youtube.com/modernpepper and click on the playlist tab and select Korean dumplings playlist and all the recipes that you need to make the filling, the wrappers, how to cook them, pan fry, steam, water boiled, and how to wrap them. So I will see you there. I want to thank everyone for watching today, and if you enjoyed watching today's video, I want to kindly ask you to click on that thumbs up icon and make sure to hit that notification bell and subscribe if you haven't done so that you and I can make more delicious Korean dishes together. 여러분 오늘 재밌게 보셨으면 꼭 좋아하는 버튼과 구독 버튼도 눌러주세요. 다음 영상에서 꼭 뵙겠습니다. 감사합니다. Alright folks, I will see you in one of the videos you see right here.